Hi and welcome to Green DIY. Here is part 2 of the wind generator. What I've done from part 1 to part 2 is I had to reverse the blades because I decided to use gears to get it to spin the stepper motor. And to do that, you can see back here I just got some old gears from a computer where you put the CD in and it ejects the CD. They use gears there, and you can see how I did that. And I had to reverse the blades because before they were going in this direction, and I was going to do a direct drive where the blades would just attach to the motor, but the motor, or the generator in our case, the shaft was too small and it wouldn't hold the blades. So what I did was I reversed the direction of the blades, and you can see here's the hub. It's attached to this shaft. The shaft is then attached to this computer gear, and then that computer gear is attached to another touching another computer gear, which is on the stepper motor here. And you can see when I spin it that you can see there. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but basically it's a 4-to-1 ratio. So when this spins around once, the other one spins around 4 times, which is quite good if you're trying to do what I'm doing, just get some at low winds, a lot of power, then it works out really well. You can see here I got a multimeter, and if I just push it a tiny bit, you can see here. Let me try to get this in one shot. This is set to volts. If I just give it a little spin, oh, wrong direction. If I give it a little spin, it moves up all the way to, I think that's 2 volts. See that? Or 4, that's 3 volts there, you can see. I'm gonna get a digital one to show you guys better in future videos to see what this can really put out for power wise, but that's what I got going. I'll bring it outside once we get some wind. We haven't had wind in a while, so you'll know that first wind we have, and I'll have this out there and have it, see how well it works, see what I can improve. If you guys see anything that I can improve on, or I should change differently, feel free to just post in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, or use that information to help me improve what I'm making, so that'll definitely help. Yeah, thanks, and keep viewing. Bye. Today I got the wind turbine outside. It's very light gusts right now. There's not too much wind. You can see things are holding up pretty good. We had this one gust I thought was going to blow this thing out of the ground. I just have a shovel in it right now. And so once I get this thing actually mounted on pole, I'm going to lose the PVC and use galvanized pipe here, and there's this clamp that I can clamp onto here and just screw the galvanized pipe into, so it's not just sitting on here. But it seems to be holding up pretty well. You can see how the gears are still holding up good. I haven't seen any wear or anything on it. But yeah, it's just been light gusts of winds right now. It was going pretty fast a little earlier ago. Seems like another gust is going to come up here in a second. You can see, here we go. You can see it's 20 minutes later, and you can see the wind's picked up quite a bit. Seems to be working pretty well.